past and present basketball icons came together to celebrate PBA's 50th anniversary. Here's the report.
Past meets present. A golden night for Philippine basketball as legends and current stars lit up the PBA's 50th anniversary celebration at Soler Resort North in Quezon City. Basketball icons from the 70s to today dazzled in gold, bringing nostalgia and star power to the historic event. The celebration featured the 10 new additions to the PBA's 50 greatest players in league history. After years of waiting, seven-time PBA champion Nelson "The Bull" Aceitono was finally included in the prestigious list.
Finally, nakasama rin kami. Sa professional PBA player, tinatanggap na namin yan. Kung ano man yung nangyari sa amin. Pero okay na.
Yung core ng Grand Slam, nandito kami lahat.
Sarap mo naman, naka-Grand Slam ka.
Hindi ka kami kumampi sa akin.
The league also honored outstanding media members who helped boost the PBA's reach and influence over the years. Adding excitement to the night were surprise performances by Maha Salvador and Bamboo. Meanwhile, 8-time MVP Junmar Fajardo shared that despite making it to the 50 greatest list, he still feels there's more to prove.
Thankful ako sa mga nauna sa amin, yung mga greatest, kasi sila yung nag-set ng standard eh. So kami, next generation, kami lang yung sumusunod. So trabaho namin na itaas pa yung standards na sinundan namin.
After the retro games and celebrations last week, fans can look forward to the All-Star weekend in May.